We are so proud of you, and honestly, we can't wait for all the amazing things that you're going to be doing in these next few years of your career. We love you so much, and have the best day.
Hi Ate, I just want to congratulate you on your new contract. Tapos Star Magic ako rin. And keep up the good work. I love you so much. And I'm always here for you, to support you. And thank you for always being there for me as well. Love you.
Hi, anak. You know that I will always be so proud of you. And I'm just so happy for you for this wonderful milestone again. I know that signing with Star Magic has always been your dream. And I know that by doing this, it's going to be another exciting new journey for you and your career. And alam ko na talagang you're going to prove to everyone that you can do your absolute best in everything that is being trusted with you. Proud kami lahat sa'yo. And I'm just really happy that all your dreams are already come true and have come true. To ABS-CBN, Star Magic, thank you so much for loving my daughter, for taking care of her, and for giving her the best. Maraming salamat. Anak, I love you. Congratulations, baby.
We proudly welcome our newest Star Magic artist, Kapamilya Forever, Janine Gutierrez.
Thank you so much. Thank you for that. Alam ng pamilya ko kung gaano ka saya ako in this moment and how grateful I am to be part of ABS-CBN and now Star Magic. So thank you so much for really taking care of me and making this moment possible for me. Thank you to my parents and my siblings, and syempre lahat naman ng ginagawa ko is also para sa kanila.
Yes, at pina-reveal lang yung mother kanina. Sabi niya, it's always been your dream to be a Star Magic artist!
Actually, I'm really happy kasi parang, you know, this is not just a network contract signing for me. It's also the beginning of my journey officially with you, Derek Lauren, and Star Magic, Kuya Alan. So thank you also, Tita Cory, because, you know, we're all really under your wing and we're so grateful. I'm so grateful dahil alam ko kung gaano ka-tight at talagang supportive ang Star Magic family. Even the first time na nagpunta ako sa office, Direk Lauren, ramdam na ramdam ko na. So, ang laking pasasalamat ko. Actually, Diego, niloloko nga ako na ginagaya ko siya. Pero sabi ni Mama, dati ko pa gusto. So, noon na talaga ako.
Well, we're so happy to hear that. Thank you so much, Janine. And now we have finally arrived at the heart